You know, what's crazy? Most people spend their entire lives chasing money. But the people who truly win the game, they chase skills. Because here's the undeniable truth. Money follows skill. It always has. And it always will. In this video, I'm going to break down the 10 timeless business skills that will never, ever go out of style. These are the skills that can make you financially unstoppable, no matter where you start from. And if you stick with me until the very end, I'll reveal the one hidden skill that billionaires master, but 99% of people completely ignore. So, do yourself a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below which skill you're going to start mastering today. Let's make this the video that changes your financial future. Alright, let's dive into the core business skills. First up, at number 1, strategy. Look, ideas are a dime a dozen. Strategy is about choosing the right game to play in the first place. Think about Netflix. They didn't foolishly cling to DVDs when the world was moving online. They saw where the market was headed, anticipated the future, and moved first. That's strategy. It's the art of playing chess while everyone else is busy playing checkers. It's about seeing the entire board, not just the next move. Number 2, innovation. This one gets misunderstood all the time. Innovation isn't just about inventing something entirely new out of thin air. It's about making something fundamentally better. Take Apple. They didn't invent the mobile phone, not even close. But they completely redefined what a phone could be, turning it from a simple communication device into an indispensable part of our lives. They took an existing concept and elevated it to a level nobody else had even imagined. That's the power of true innovation. Coming in at number 3 is marketing. Let me ask you this. When you think of Nike, do you just think of shoes? Of course not. You think of victory, of pushing limits, of just do it. Nike doesn't just sell athletic gear. They sell the very idea of winning. Using powerful stories, iconic athletes, and raw emotion. Average marketing might get you seen, but exceptional marketing gets you chosen. It's the difference between being a product on a shelf and a brand in people's hearts. And that brings us to skill number 4. Sales. At its highest level, selling doesn't feel like selling at all. It feels like helping. It's about deeply understanding someone's problem and guiding them to the best possible solution, which just happens to be what you offer. Forget the pushy, sleazy stereotypes. Great selling is about building trust and creating value. And remember this golden rule. If you can sell, you will never be broke again. It's the ultimate financial safety net. Now, let's shift gears into the skills that create explosive growth. At number 5, we have negotiation. This skill alone can be worth millions. Take Elon Musk. When building SpaceX, he was quoted astronomical prices for components. Instead of just accepting them, he questioned everything. He said no to inflated costs, negotiated relentlessly, and in some cases, decided to build the parts himself for a fraction of the price. He negotiated his way into game-changing NASA contracts and literally changed the course of human space exploration. Negotiation isn't about fighting. It's about creating better outcomes for yourself. Number 6 is leadership. True leadership has nothing to do with giving orders or having a fancy title. It's about building people up. It's about creating an environment where everyone can do their best work. Look at what Satya Nadella did at Microsoft. He inherited a company known for its toxic, competitive, internal culture. He transformed it from a place of conflict into a thriving, collaborative powerhouse by changing one fundamental thing: the culture. He proved that great leaders don't build businesses. They build people. And the people build the business. Next, at number 7, we have systems design. Let me tell you a secret about McDonald's. It's not really a burger business. It's a systems business that happens to sell burgers. From how the pickles are placed on the bun to the exact time the fries are in the fryer, every single detail is part of a meticulously designed system. This system is so robust that it can be replicated in tens of thousands of locations worldwide, printing money like clockwork, day in and day out. If you want to scale, you must stop doing everything yourself and start building systems that run for you. Okay, let's get into the skills that are truly rare, the ones that separate the good from the legendary. Skill number 8 is resource allocation. This is about where you put your money, your time, and your focus. Jeff Bezos didn't just sell books and stop there. He took the profits from his bookstore and reinvested them into wildly ambitious, long-term ideas that everyone else thought were crazy. The biggest example, Amazon Web Services, or AWS. For years, it was a footnote in their reports. Today, it's the hidden engine that generates billions in profit and powers a huge chunk of the internet. That's the power of smart resource allocation planting. Seeds for trees you may not see for a decade. Number 9 is one of the most elusive skills: timing. You can have the best idea, TB's team, and the best product. But if your timing is off, you lose. It's a brutal truth. Remember Benet? It had the short-form video idea years before. The idea was brilliant, but the market wasn't quite ready. TikTok came along when smartphone cameras were better, internet speeds were faster, and user habits had changed. They had the timing. Recognizing the perfect moment to strike is a skill that looks like luck, but is actually a deep understanding of market trends and human behavior. And skill number 10 is networking. You simply cannot build an empire alone. The greatest ventures in history are products of collaboration. Look at Sam Altman. He built OpenAI, not just with money, but by assembling a world-class team of researchers, engineers, and thinkers. He built it with connections, trust, and a shared vision. Your network is your true net worth. Every person you know is a door to a new opportunity, a new idea, or a new perspective. Never underestimate the power of building genuine relationships. Now, as promised, for those of you who stuck around, here is the bonus skill, the one hidden skill that underpins all the others. That skill is branding, and I'm not talking about a cool logo or a catchy name. Branding is the gut feeling people have about you or your company. It's your reputation. It's what they say about you when you're not in the room. Apple didn't just build a tech company. They built an empire on the feeling of innovation, simplicity, and a premium experience. Your name, whether personal or professional, is your most valuable asset. Build it with intention. So, there you have it. The 10 timeless skills that never go out of style. You don't need luck. You need mastery. And mastery comes from deliberate practice. If this video helped you gain some clarity, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more content that helps you win. And now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me. Which skill are you mastering next? Stay disciplined. Stay consistent. This is MAM, where success starts with your mindset. Thanks for watching.